Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a fourth grade lesson called Tricky Tangrams. It's a measurement lesson in which we're trying to figure out the area of a shape. So in order to do that, we first have cards that the students will draw, which will give you the area of one of the tanagram pieces. And they'll have 4 tanagram pieces sets that they'll be working with. And the students can write on the tanagrams what the area is of that tanagram. So in this case, we see that this shape here is the value of 3. Oops, let me change that here. That's the value of 3. So we can see that this shape is the same exact size as that shape, and they can compare them because they actually have the shapes that they can grab and put on top of each other to see that they fit on each other, to see that they're equal. So they can see that those are 3. They can then use this shape to say, oh, look at that square is 2 of the triangles. So that square is the value of 6. They can do that shape then also to compare it to this other one, which isn't made directly to scale, but you'll see that 2 of these triangles can fit into it. So that shape is also the value of 6. And then they have these other shapes in which they can compare to, and you'll see that this one takes 4 of the triangles, so this would be a value of 12. This shape is the same size, so it's 12. And then this shape actually takes 3 triangles, I believe. So this would be the value of 9. So you get the value of each of these triangles, or each of these tanagram pieces. They can write them on these different tanagrams if they want to as well. But what they're going to now do is, it says on their card, you need to create a total area of 63. So taking turns, students are going to grab a tanagram piece and put it on the board, and they can write the value of it down. So in this case, they could write 12 here. And then somebody can grab another tanagram piece. Let's say they grab this other big one again, which is value 12, and they put it on top of the other, or to make kind of a shape here. They're a little bit different shapes here, but know that they're supposed to be the same shape, size, I should say, and that's worth 12. So now we have filled out an area of 24. So I can keep adding shapes to my area, writing down the value of what they are. So I have 24 plus the 6, I'm now up to 30. So they're going to just continue adding shapes to create a shape that has the same area, takes up the same area as the area and square units that's on the card. So that's what they do in Tricky Tangrams.